before you slow down. It's how close people are. It helps you make an informed decision on what you do with those lights. There are occasions where you will have to go through an amber if people are too close. The only way you can get that correct all the time is to check first of all. Alright? The police van shouldn't be following too close, and I would probably say 99.9% of the time they would be fine. But everyone has lapses in concentration, so you know, you can't guarantee it, and it's down to more people paying attention is then able to cope with the little blips where people don't pay attention. Yeah? That's how we get the roads a safer place. Because collisions or accidents aren't really accidents, they're just ups really.
Yeah, true.
Aren't they?
Yep.
Yeah? People don't do them on purpose.
It's because they're not concentrating.
Yeah. And they do reckon it has to be all of the parties involved not concentrating or not doing the correct thing at some point for that collision to happen. If that one pulled out, were you ready to deal with it? Yes. If this fella slipped over and fell in the road, could you stop? Yes.
Yeah.
Wow. Am I psychic or what? Am I psychic sometimes or what?
I wouldn't have been.
Okay. But you actually were. You reacted really nicely. I covered the brake at exactly the same time as you.
I thought, oh my God.
And when he stepped back off the road and seen us, you let go of it and went.
You'd have been like tarmac.
It would have been an emergency stop in that situation. But wow. Isn't that amazing? We were talking about that, and then
you said,
wham.
What happens if they just fell on the road?
And he just walked out.
See?
Scary, psychic.